Hair for All London fitting of the today is a poly band around the sides and back, lace front at the front, graduated hairline. So I always like showing the quality. It's so important everyone sees the quality. Nobody can do this with a hair system if it's not made very well. That's why I do the videos regularly, so everyone every day gets a chance to see the fittings that happen at Hair for All London. As you can see there, the excess lace at the front, this bit gets cut off on the fitting just before the fitting, and you can see just how good the hairline looks. Also, when the skin colour is made correctly for the lace, you can see just how good it looks. Ready for today's fitting. Last go. I'll move this forward. Hairline's made terrifically. Hair for All London.